I can use a coffee.
I could use the coffee.
I can use a coffee. I can use a coffee ន័យត្រង់របស់ clear នេះគឺខ្ញុំអាចប្រើប្រាស់កាហ្វេមួយកែវន័យធៀបរបស់វាគឺខ្ញុំត្រូវការឬចង់បានកាហ្វេមួយកែវខ្លាំងយើងប្រើ clear I can ឬក៏ I could use អ្វីមួយឬនរណាម្នាក់ដើម្បីនិយាយថាយើងត្រូវការឬចង់បានអ្វីនោះឬមនុស្សម្នាក់នោះខ្លាំងឧទាហរណ៍ I can use a drink right now I can use a drink right now មានន័យថាខ្ញុំត្រូវការភេសជ្ជៈខ្លាំងឥឡូវនេះឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត I could use some help lifting the furniture I could use some help lifting the furniture មានន័យថាខ្ញុំត្រូវការជំនួយខ្លះៗដើម្បីលើកគ្រឿងសង្ហារិមឧទាហរណ៍មួយទៀត I could use some friends I could use some friends មានន័យថាខ្ញុំចង់បានឬត្រូវការមិត្តភក្តិខ្លះៗ
I guess I could always use a friend.
I could use some coffee.
I can use some help with this.
That's okay. I could use a cup of coffee.
I could use some extra money.
I could use a cup of coffee.
So I can use some help installing sprinklers.
But I could use some coffee.
She could use some friendly faces.
I think I could use some time alone.
Mom can use some money.
You could use some friends.
Oh, I could use some adult friends.
Yeah, I could use some luck.
I could really use some more friends.
Could really use a cup of coffee. I
could sure use a cup of coffee.
I could use a cup of coffee.
Because I could use a coffee. I mean, that's it.
I could use some coffee. You want some coffee?
Yeah, I could use a cup of coffee.